So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will show you another newly launched best meme coin on Solana blockchain and other big meme coin on Solana blockchain. This meme coin was listed recently on KuCoin exchange. Okay, soon is major listing on KuCoin exchange. So this is really amazing. That's why I studied this meme coin. I have found that this meme coin can be the next big meme coin on Solana blockchain. This meme coin can be the next Mara coin. Okay, or next Doge which have okay, and I can see its current price is $0.018. That is dropped by almost 8% because recently, as I already told you, this was listed on KuCoin. So those who purchased this meme coin on initial prices, they took out the profit. That's why its price is jumping, but this jump will be not for long term. Okay, soon we will see its recovery and this meme coin will perform very amazing here. Okay, ranking is nearly 500. Ranking is name. Okay, and this is a cat theme meme coin on Solana blockchain. Okay, and this meme coin is not to all. This meme coin was just launched 7 days ago. Here you can see within 7 days we are 31% down. Okay, so this can be the good buying opportunity for us. And here you can see its market cap is $95 million, or market cap is still very high market cap if you wanna purchase this meme coin for long term. So I will suggest you to wait. Maybe we can see its market cap okay below maybe $50, so $50 million, then you can make entry here. And here you can see its last 24 hour trading volume is amazing, $26.7 million trading volume. This is really amazing. And here you can see total supply of 8.8 billion coins. And this is a cat theme meme coin on Solana blockchain. We are 60% down than its all time high that was just 8 days ago, $0.027, and we are nearly at 28% up than its all time low. Okay, so these are the current condition for this meme coin. And maybe we can see soon all new all-time high. Okay, and here you can see exchange listing are awesome. Within just few days this meme coin is listed on Gate.io, HTX, CoinX, MEXC, Bitmart. Okay, too many exchanges. And this is also listed on KuCoin exchange. Okay, that is not showing right now on CoinGecko, but this is also available on KuCoin exchange. Okay, yesterday this meme coin was listed there. So that's amazing thing that within few days this meme coin is listed on too many centralized exchanges. That's amazing. And here you can check out also its holders. Friends, so you can see 93.9, okay, nearly 94,000 holders within 7 days. So this is really amazing. That's why this meme coin is very potential and very different. Maybe we can see is more and more major exchange listing in coming days, because within just 8 days its holders are amazing. Okay, 94,000 holders within just okay and 8 days. So this is really amazing. Maybe we can see this meme coin shoot up as VIF coin. Okay, Solana blockchain meme coin, or maybe Maro coin. Okay, so this meme coin can be the next with, or maybe Maro, and maybe we can see its Binance exchange listing in coming days here. Okay, and here you can see its current price is $0.01. And my price prediction for this meme coin in coming 12 to 15 months is that maybe we can see if its price up to $10. Okay, still this meme coin has potential to give us 100x profit here. Okay, right now its market cap is below $100 million. Okay, but we will take entry here when its market cap will be just 70 to $60 million market cap. And then in mega bull run, okay, that is coming okay after 12 to 15 months definitely. Okay, then its market cap can goes up to 5 to $10 billion here. Okay, because cat theme meme coin will perform really amazing in this bull run. And as this meme coin is just 8 days old and listed on too many major exchanges and got 94,000 holders, so I think this is a very awesome meme coin. And we can see its major exchange listings is coming there, and after that we can see its price shoot up. Okay, what do you think? Is this meme coin is really potential or not? You can must comment down below.